Ever wondered what powers the future of electric vehicles? It's all about the connectors. Discover how our innovative solutions are driving the new energy revolution. With over 6,500 products compatible with top brands like TE and Deutsch, we're the backbone of automotive innovation. Quality and variety, all under one roof. From small trial orders to massive productions, our state-of-the-art equipment ensures precision and reliability. Every connector tells a story of excellence. Customization is our forte. Each year, we develop over 30 types of connectors tailored to your needs. Your vision, our expertise, let's create something extraordinary. At Star, it's not just about products, it's about partnerships. Ready to power your projects with our cutting-edge solutions? Let's connect for a brighter future.